Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I got my first order in from a company called CraftsyArt.com. I got a few bits and pieces here. They're all special drills and I thought, oh my goodness, I'm going to do an unboxing on this. This is so exciting. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what the heck I got. All right. Oh, okay, so this one. Okay, it's gotten a little bit crunched, but it's not too bad. It should be able to flatten out pretty good. How do we get into this thing? There we go. Throw that over there. Okay, so this one here is a 40 by 50. It is a special drill. Oh, hang on, we're stuck. Oh wow, we're like really stuck. Okay, so that's some of the plastics come off that. No biggie. Okay, so we've got typical little kit. There's some little Ziploc bags in there. Got your drills. Oh, which way's up? Here we go. Okay, so that's a butterfly. I got a couple of these special drills that have that frame around it that's printed on there and the design comes out of the frame. I absolutely love it. I love that effect. It looks so good. So that's my butterfly. Yeah, it's not too bad. Should put it under a few books and it'll be right for a while. So I'll just bring it up a little bit closer. Check out that drill field. Oh, it's got some interesting colors and patterns. So that's going to be pretty fun to do. Yep, no problem seeing that. Pretty cool. So there are, oh golly, how many colors? 15 colors. Now this is pretty tiny, this legend. So hopefully you can see that. That's pretty good. That is gorgeous. Gosh, I love that. It's really pretty. Okay, so the drills. I love special drills. They're so much fun to do and they're so sparkly. Ooh. Ooh, check these out. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they are gorgeous. Oh, I'm loving that. Beautiful. It's even got little bits of blue in it and stuff. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. So you got your usual rounds. I love the bright colors. It's just going to come up so beautifully. They're nice. They're the bigger rounds up there. I love the blue. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Bluey green. Some purples. Got some bigger ABs. Teeny tiny teardrops. More teeny tiny teardrops. Some crystal AB marquees. Oh, and look, they're little stars. Oh my god, that is so adorable. Beautiful. Oh, I'm loving that. I can't wait to do that one. That's going to be absolutely stunning. So there you go. 40 by 50 special drill. Love it. That is going to be beautiful. Okay, let's see what else I got. chuck that over there. I have, oh, that feels weird. Okay, I don't know what that is. That over there. Ah, okay. Hang on, he's stuck. There we go. Okay, so this one, another special drill. Got your standard kit. Oh, this is nice. This is better than I expected. So this is a special drill 30 by 40 peacock. That is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love the colors. Jeepers, that's better than I thought. So there's your drill field there. And are we going to focus? Kind of. Wow. That's going to be fun to do. That's going to be great. Isn't it gorgeous? Jeepers, I love that. That is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we have 11 colors there. So again, drill field's nice. You can see that. Nice and easy. Probably don't need a light pad. Gee, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. I love that. Wowee. Okay. Well, I should probably test the glue on these. How do I feel? Yep, she's nice and sticky. Gorgeous. Okay, so the drills. Got your standard crystal rhinestones. Beautiful rainbow colors. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Got some greens and purples in there. Some pretty blues. Beautiful blue. Some more blue. Got some AB rounds there. Some smaller pinky orange rounds. And you got some AB marquees. Beautiful. That is just going to be beautiful when that comes up. I cannot wait. And that's just a really nice and easy size, actually. You can get through that reasonably quickly, but not too quickly, which is my kind of project. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, so that's that one. Plonk him down there. Okay. They all are coming in these standard padded bags. There was just the butterfly one that did not come in padded bags. Chuck him over there. Okay, this is a little bit different for me. I don't know what it is, but I just like this. Hang on, a bit squished. Another special drill. This is a 30 by 30, so your actual drill field will be about 25 by 25. These are great sizes. I usually have this size diamond painting going at the same time as a large full drill diamond painting, just so I can mix it up a little bit. These are also really handy to travel with too, because they're pint sized and they don't have a lot of drills, and they're just perfect to take with you. I love this. This is so cool. So I'll bring it up a little bit further so you can have a look at the drill field. That's just really different. I love that. That is so cool. There's your little code there. There's 12 colors. That is so cute. That's gorgeous. I love that. And she'll flatten out eventually. Glue. Yeah, she's really sticky. That's good. Excellent. Okay, your drills. So far, all of these have come with the wax, your drill pen, and your little drill tray. And there is a couple of little Ziploc bags in there as well, which is awesome. All right, the drills for this one. Okay. So you got your usual, some yellows, some blues, oops, greens, etc. Nice and sparkly. Teeny tiny teardrops. Bigger teardrops. Oh, they're like a champagne color. Can you see that color? That is beautiful. That's quite different. I love that. Bigger teardrops. Oh, wow. These marquees, I don't know if you can see that color, but it's beautiful bluey greeny color. Jeepers, that's nice. And you got some rounds. Oh, I got more stars. I am wrapped. I love those little stars. They're so beautiful. Awesome. Happy with that. There you go. It's my little cat. Love it. Love it. Okay, so I've got one more to show you. I did get quite a few in this lot, so I'm going to do it into unboxing videos. All right, last one. Again in your padded bag. Another special drill. I've just been going nuts over the special drills. So that's just your basic mandala. That's quite pretty. I like that. Gorgeous. Bring it up a little bit closer so you can have a look at the jewel field. That's not bad. Yeah, that's pretty good. 30 by 30. Your jewel field will be about 25 by 25. Again, perfect size. Keep you busy for a little while. 7 colors. That's great. Loving that. Stickiness, sticky test. Yep, that's pretty sticky. Gorgeous. Okay, let's have a look at the drills. Again, you've got your little standard toolkit. Let's have a look at these drills. If I can get into them. There we go. Okay. It's a beautiful aqua color. Beautiful greens. Got some nice blue AB. Gorgeous, love that. Oh man, these are beautiful. Oh, I'm loving that color. Got some little teardrops. Nice and sparkly. Big rounds. Oh, they're different. Pink teardrops. Got some long marquees. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Oh gosh, that's going to come up so nice. Beautiful. So that is part 1 of my order from craftsy.com. I will be doing another video with the rest of them. I've got about 3 or 4 more to go. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing video, and stay tuned for part 2, which should be pretty close behind this one. Thank you for watching Crystal Crafts with Dee. Thank you. Bye.